Good afternoon, everybody. We made a bail appeal to Judge Carter. It did not go our way.
New witness before the grand jury in the Sean Diddy Combs case. Courtney Burgess, former associate of Kim Porter, that's Diddy's ex-girlfriend, mother to 4 of his children.
What you received on the flash drives, was it the completed book or was it notes from Kim Porter that later were made into a book?
It was completed.
It says, Kim made me promise that if something happened to her, I would make sure this book became public to the world. The way Sean moved, I knew that was a promise I would have to fulfill.
Do you believe Diddy has something to do with Kim Porter's death?
Absolutely. Without hesitation.
Diddy's top defense attorney, Mark Agnifilo, was recently seen leaving a courtroom amidst serious legal troubles for his client. This comes on the heels of fresh allegations from an old associate of Kim Porter, Diddy's late partner. Could these new claims signal the emergence of key evidence in the ongoing investigation surrounding Porter's mysterious death? For over a decade, whispers have circulated about Diddy's potential involvement in the circumstances surrounding Kim Porter's passing, with various individuals accusing him of wrongdoing. The latest revelations from Courtney Burgess, a witness with ties to Porter, have intensified these concerns. He claims not only to have witnessed the evidence that forms the basis of Diddy's legal troubles, but also asserts that he possesses tapes containing explicit material involving Diddy and other high-profile figures, allegations that could deepen the scrutiny on the mogul. Burgess's testimony
Do you know if the notes from the book really were from Kim Porter?
It was, yes, because I spoke to her.
Been described as a possible turning point for Diddy's defense team. Reports suggest that many of his attorneys are now distancing themselves from the case, likely due to the troubling nature of the new allegations. Diddy is already facing a multitude of serious accusations, including claims of coercing individuals while they were under the influence, and the addition of Burgess's claims.
Was it the completed book, or was it notes from Kim Porter that later were made into a book?
It was completed. It's only 60, it's only about 54 pages.
Matters further. What makes this situation even more precarious for Diddy is that Burgess reportedly has access to Kim Porter's original notes for an unpublished memoir. These notes allegedly detail her experiences during her tumultuous relationship with Diddy.
When you have a lot of money and you have no accountability and you want to do whatever the you want to do whenever the you want to do it, I think you can go a little bonkers.
Including claims of abusive behavior. According to Burgess, the terms for these notes' release were contingent on something happening to Porter, suggesting that she harbored deep concerns about her safety. As the revelations unfold, public speculation has escalated, with many believing that Diddy could face significant jail time if the allegations are substantiated. This is not just about the tapes or the accusations. It taps into a larger narrative that many have constructed around Diddy over the years. His reputation, marred by numerous allegations, is facing renewed scrutiny, particularly regarding the troubling circumstances surrounding Porter's death.
And that was somehow construed or understood or turned into a raid, but he did not face a raid. It was just to serve him as a...
He testified before a grand jury, revealing that he received 11 flash drives containing at least 8 explicit videos featuring several high-profile names, including claims that some of the individuals were minors. The origin of these drives allegedly traces back to Kim Porter, suggesting she intended to expose Diddy's alleged misconduct prior to her death. This shocking claim has sent ripples through the entertainment industry, raising questions about how these tapes could impact not only Diddy but also other celebrities mentioned. The internet has been buzzing with reactions to these claims.
He was then from ambitious, went to doing anything, and then from doing anything to didn't care about nobody, who he could beat, and then he ended up turning into Lucifer.
Some commentators believe Burgess is revealing the truth out of a sense of justice for Porter, while others express outrage at the implications of Diddy's alleged actions. It's a situation that could potentially reshape the narrative surrounding several prominent figures in Hollywood. Diddy's legal troubles escalated dramatically in 2023 when Cassie Ventura, his ex-girlfriend, filed a lawsuit alleging abuse during their relationship, which lasted from 2006 to 2019. The lawsuit, which sought $30 million in damages, shed light on a history of troubling behavior, including physical abuse and substance coercion. This case not only intensified public scrutiny of Diddy, but also rekindled interest in Kim Porter's untimely passing. The complexities surrounding Porter's death only deepened the
It's not all the
controversy.
time they say this, but they say this is going our way. Not the bail. They say we have them. We got a lot of people who are going to talk and say that this is what Diddy was about, and some people may pass it off as hip-hop culture.
While an autopsy revealed pneumonia as the cause of death, many remain skeptical, given her age and prior health. Friends and family members have expressed doubts, and questions linger about whether Diddy played a role in her demise. Porter's father has publicly criticized Diddy, questioning the nature of their relationship and expressing concerns about his daughter's safety. Adding another layer to this narrative, several insiders have spoken out about Diddy's alleged abusive behavior. Jaguar Wright, a longtime industry figure, has shared
In the
insights
beginning, it says, Kim made me promise that if something happened to her, I would make sure this book became public to the world. The way Sean moved, I knew that was a promise I would have to fulfill.
That Diddy exploited Porter for his gain and was known for his manipulative tendencies. She claims that Kim had been preparing to expose Diddy through her writing, and Wright's assertions raise alarms about the true nature of Diddy's character. In the face of these mounting allegations, Diddy's legal team is scrambling. Attorney Mark Gagos has expressed skepticism about Burgess's credibility, but the sheer volume of claims against Diddy makes it difficult
who
to
were recorded having intimate relations with Sean Combs. How many of them appear to be either inebriated or intoxicated or under the influence?
Dismiss the potential impact of the testimonies and evidence that are coming to light. As we await further developments in this case, the ramifications could be severe, not just for Diddy, but for many others in the entertainment industry as well. Karma, they say, has a way of catching up to those who believe they are untouchable. Diddy may have underestimated the unfolding complexity.
Probably like 6 hours before I received it.
You spoke to Kim Porter?
Yes.
So Kim.
What you received on the flash drives, was it the completed book or was it notes from Kim Porter that later were made into a book?
It was completed.
Of his situation, and as the layers peel away, the legal and personal consequences may become clearer in the coming trials. For now, we watch and wait to see how this story continues to develop.
Breaking news tonight, Sean Diddy Combs has been arrested in a Manhattan hotel this evening after a grand jury indicted the music mogul. His attorney tells CNN that he is currently being
Kim died from pneumonia, but there's the first coroner's report that said it was ruled a homicide and they found toxins in her body to prove that she had been poisoned. You know, they have poisons that create heart attack and pneumonia.